Hey, this is Stacey from Joliet Digital Solutions. I talked to you recently about creating a video showing you how to use your website to grow your business. So here is the website. Before we get started, you might be wondering why I am making this video. And the reason is there's a lot of business owners out there who are busy running their businesses, taking care of their families, and living their lives, and they just don't have the time to learn how to use the internet and optimize their websites and do all that internet-related stuff. So I'd like to come in and help you out with that. So I have your website here, and there's a couple things I like. So I like this right here that you have your request information right there when I first come to your site. That's really great because people, when they come, that's what they want, and that makes it easy for them to become a customer. And we've got your leave a Google review here, and that's really great too because the more good reviews you get, the better that is for your business, with your phone number right there so they can call if they want, giving them a couple of options. So these are all really good things. So we're going to talk about what you can do to bring people to your website, because having a nice website with good features doesn't bring them. So we're going to talk about what does bring people to you. We're going to talk about three things: content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. And Google likes to see content on a site. This tells them that you know what you're talking about and that you're authority, and it builds trust, right? It's relevant, quality content. And the more content you have, the better. Google likes to see a minimum of 1,500 or 2,000, anywhere between there. Words on your website. And a good thing about having more content is that the more content you have, the more keywords you can incorporate into your content. So what is a keyword? A keyword is what somebody types into Google to find something. So if somebody's looking for drywall in Phoenix, Arizona, they're going to type something like drywall in Phoenix, Arizona, or drywall repair Phoenix, or words, those phrases are called keywords, and that's how people search for things. So if you have more content, then you can incorporate more of those keywords into your content. The next thing we're going to talk about are backlinks. So a backlink is a link that is on someone else's website that's your link. It goes back to your website. So that is a backlink. And Google sees backlinks as an endorsement from the other website. So this is another way of building trust and another way of people to find you. So you want to have links coming from relevant sites that are relevant to your business, articles that are about things relevant to your business, like how to choose the right material for your house, or something like that. Anything that relates to drywall or what your company does. And you also want the websites that the links are coming from to have good reputations as well. So you want high quality backlinks coming from high quality websites, is basically that. So when I did a search using the keyword Drywall Phoenix, a couple of sites came up. So we're going to look at the ones that are coming up at the top. Okay, so the first one was here it is, Todd Whitaker Drywall Inc. So they came up. They're one of the first ones that came up. And before we look at their links, we're going to look at yours. So you do not have a lot going on right now. You've got 3 websites pointing towards you with 7 different links, basically. Okay, so that's going to be one of the reasons why you're a little harder to find. And this website I just showed you has this many, over 3,900 backlinks coming from 1,800 different websites. So that's a bit of a difference right there. And then I found another one. They don't have as many, okay? They have 46 different websites, bringing them 257 backlinks. So one of the things you can do is look at what are the backlinks that your competitors are using to get their websites ranked in Google. You can look at what the backlinks are that they have and start getting those backlinks going back to you. So you would find a backlink. Some of these are just directories, and then some of these are actual links coming from articles and websites and things like that. So you want to find out what kind of links they have and get the same links. So you would do that, and then that is how you would build up the backlinks that you have. And the third thing I wanted to talk to you about, I already kind of mentioned with the directories, is called citations. So we're going to go back over here to the Google search where I put in Drywall Phoenix. And the first thing you see are the ads. Okay, this is paid. Somebody paid to come to the top there. And then we have the map pack. So when you have a Google profile, which you probably do, just a business profile with Google, then those come up in the map pack and they rank similarly to how websites rank down here, right? So you would, oh, and look, it's that same website right there. So he's also ranking in the top of the map pack. So what you would do is, oh, so let's see what a citation is first. A citation is your name, address, and phone number exactly as it appears in your Google business profile, listed on different sites, like, for example, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. Anywhere where you would just list your address, name, and phone number. It's also called a directory. So you would see, where does this company have all their citations, and this company, and get as many citations as they have. And again, you still want to make sure they're relevant, right? They have to have some kind of relevance. That's important. So find out where everybody's listing themselves and list yourself there, and then get those citations plus more. And that's how you would get beyond them in the map pack. So those are the 3 things I wanted to talk to you about. Content with keywords, high quality relevant keywords, backlinks from quality websites, and citations from relevant directories. Once you have all these coming together, and then you will start to outgrow your competitors. And here is why that is such a great thing. We're going to look here. These are keywords like we've talked about. Here's Phoenix drywall is one keyword, and this is the volume. This is how many people search for that per month. 100 people per month, 100 people per month. I don't know, that one's, I wouldn't worry about too much. 40, 100, 60, 30, here we go, 30. So I added all these up earlier, and the ones that are about drywall and Phoenix, and there's over 600 searches just from this alone, and that's how many people are searching for your service in your area. And if you were able to get even only 10% of those people, that's a potential 60 customers more per month than you're already getting. So this is why doing the things that we've talked about can really, really help your business grow. And so this is what I do for a living. And if you have any questions or want any help with any of this, you are absolutely welcome to contact me. My name is Stacey with Joliet Digital Solutions, and I'm putting my contact information in the description of this video. And I just want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I only ask for one thing, and that's for some feedback so that I know if this video was helpful for you or not. So thank you and have a great day.